Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. How y'all doing? I hope you're having a beautiful day because I am. It is absolutely a wonderful day. Why? Because I'm above the ground, okay? And I'm breathing. How about that? Okay? I said it. Yes. This is the channel LLC. Okay, YouTubers, listen, I'm here. LLC stands for Living Life for the Culture. Coming to you with Ty being me, Twana Yvette, okay? And I just wanted to hop on here today and share with y'all a little bit of those relationship goals. Why that, you might be asking? Well, because I was in a relationship for 25 years, okay? And the one question I was asked more than any question above all questions is, how on earth did you stay with the same person for 25 years? So let me drop a little bit of that knowledge on you today about those relationship goals. Number one, above all else, what I know you're asking could that possibly be? It's called communication. Let me just keep it simple. Called communication. You have got to be able to be a very decent, I won't say excellent, I won't say expert, I won't say superior, decent communicator. If you are not, ultimately, your relationship is going to decline. Okay, communication. Definition: honesty. Number one on the list, honesty. You gotta be more than 50% of an honest person. Again, if not, your relationship is going to decline. Number two, you gotta be a listener. Okay? That is major in communication. It's major. So you want to be able to listen. You want to be decently honest. and again, I'm coming to you with 25 years of experience, okay? And half a century of knowledge that I'm dropping on you today. I know you're like, wait, what she mean by that? I'm 50, boo-boo. I'm not ashamed to share that with you. I'm 50. Half a century of knowledge I'm bringing to you today on this LLC channel for you, okay? It's been created to be a plethora of information and resources for the generations out there that's coming up behind me. I want to share with y'all. So we looking at communication. We're looking, oh, it's hot in here. I got to crack a window. People's out and about, but listen, they're going to have to get that same little bit of knowledge, okay? Because it's just a little bit warm in here. And okay, hold tight. All right, here we go. Oh, that feels good. Okay, so back to the information. Communication, honesty. You got to be able to lay that out. You got to be able to tell your boo, okay, that hairstyle is not that cute. Not that, like, okay, here's what we could do to alter it. Like, share some, how can we improve this together? We're a team, okay? Be a listener. Don't talk all day. Don't be the one that just run your mouth. Don't be that, boo. You owe it to yourself. You could rise above it, okay? Learn to listen. Learn to hear the person out. You wait, I talk. You talk, I wait. It's a teamwork effort type thing. You know what I mean? We in this together, okay? Other one. It's right up there with communication, basically. You got to be able to be 100. And that's not just honesty. You got to be able to keep it real. You got to talk on a level that is open, and ready to receive, and okay, you feeling me. Without these qualities, in almost all cases, it's not gonna last. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's not gonna last. I'm so sorry. So listen to what I'm telling you. Half a century of information is coming to you, friends from another lens, okay? Friends from another lens, okay? You hearing me? It's not gonna last, okay? Half a century. I'm here to share with you. You on that LLC today, okay? Communication. 25 years. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm not a novice at this. I consider myself at this point an expert. I'm just going to put it out there, because if I don't, who will? I wanted to share that with you on this beautiful day. It is absolutely gorgeous today. If it was pouring down lightning, thundering, and everything else, it is another wonderful day. Why? I already shared that with you. We are above the earth and we are breathing. Okay? Stay blessed. Be good to you. First and foremost. Because who else will? Like you will. Have a wonderful day. I will continue to show up with those very important qualities of life that we all need, and wish we had somebody who could be utterly beyond honest, truthful, 100. Everybody don't have that in their lives. Literally, everybody don't have that. Not somebody they could truly rely on that's going to keep it 100, tell it like it is, be honest, and they got the knowledge. They've been there, they walked it, they know. Why have you make the mistakes I already made? So that's what I'm here for. Let's do that half a century, okay? Let's keep that, take that in your spirit. That's what I'm here for. That's what this was created to do. So let me do what I do best. You know better, you do better. Maya, Miss Angelou, rest in peace. Sleep well. And that's what I'm doing. So I'm sharing that with you. Y'all take it. If you can't use it, please pass it on. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in. And until next time, LLC with Ty, we will be back with more. Y'all have a wonderful day.